Thank you. Thank you.
I'm proud of you, boy.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good job, bro. Good job.
This is Tanzania. I love you so much.
Good job. Good job.
Thank you.
Good job. Keep it up.
Thank you, sir.
This is my life.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
Andy Boyle, keep scoring goals. Wananchi, we need goals.
Piga mori mtu ya Kongo.
Keep it up.
Piga kazi mwanangu. Piga kazi. Piga kazi.
Asante mwanangu.
Thank you.
Thank you very Hi. Hello. Bro.
Good job. Keep it up.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Hongera Mwenyezi Mungu atakupa kila laheri.
Thank you.
Asante baba. Kazi nzuri, endelea baba, tunakuombea. Ufunge magoli ya kutosha.
Jokote mwanangu, okota mwanangu, una baya. Shika kabisa. Mweke na Boyeli hapo. Boyeli geuka tupige picha hapo.
Let's go.
Kila mtu anapiga picha muda hatuna unajua.
Hamna noma baba, mambo yesi okay. Safi sana.
You. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Fight mzee, fight.
Next match is Togo.
Let's go.
receive money from Mwananchi.
But I'm very proud of our supporter. You know, we've been working on it too much by the pre-season, so now I'm very proud, and they give me more encouragement, more motivation, because you know, this is my first goal to score the 2 goals now. It's good for me to achieve more again.
You scored 2 goals today. Where do you dedicate those 2 goals?
So for these two goals, I dedicated for all my supporters.
Your supporters?
Yeah, especially younger
fans.
So I'm very proud of them.
What is your last word to Mwananchi?
Yeah, anyway we are here. We are here, so the season is very long. You can't start so early now, you understand? So we have work to do. There's nothing I can talk so far now.
Okay.
Yeah, we are working, so we can talk until the end, you understand?
I wish you all the best.
Thank you very much.
Hizi ndio pesa ambazo Boeli amezikuta. Boeli, take your money bro, come. Take, the bag is for us, but we'll take the bag. Yes, Andy Boeli huyu akichukua pesa zake, na hivyo ndivyo namna ambavyo siku imekwisha leo hii. Young Africans ikishinda magoli 4 na KMC Football Club ikishinda goli 1 hapa KMC Complex. Mambo ni mazuri kweli kweli Mwananchi. Subscribe sasa hivi Yanga TV uweze kupata habari kede kuhusiana na klabu yetu.